Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I'm really excited to share with you my new digital kit collection. It's already listed in my Etsy store, so you can head over there if you're interested in purchasing my new kit. And it's called the Blooming Charm kit. And there are 3 kits to this digital set. They come in A4 size and letter size. So when you go in my store, you can choose which size will work for your printer and your papers. It will also work well, the prints will work well with my recent kit that I also shared with you called the Pink in Bloom kit. So the colors and the tones and the images will work well with that kit as well if you wanted to coordinate them together. And I'm going to go through and show you each of the pages and what the designs look like. There are 3 kits to the Blooming Charm digitals. So there is the Blooming Charm 001, and there are 5 pages to each of the kit. There is also the Blooming Charm 002, that also has 5 pages. And I've also made another kit to coordinate with the papers, and it's the Fussy Cut Ephemera kit, and there are also 5 pages to this kit as well, and these would work well with the Pink in Bloom digitals. And I've already started working on a couple of projects using this kit, and I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek at what I'm working with, and I'm going to do a video once I've completed the projects, and I'm going to show you once I show you these digitals. So I thought we'll start with the Blooming Charm 001, and then I'll go through with the other ones. And I'll also give you a sneak peek of my next digitals that I'm working with, and they're just as lovely. So this one here, I'm just going to show the A4 size, but there is also the letter size. So this is the 001. So this is one of the pretty pages. Most of them are full background style pages. I've made them that way, and it's like a collage sort of paper, so you can cut them up to however you like. You can fold them over, you could have it this way, you know, you can have it whichever way you like. You can fold it that way. You can even just cut out the image if you wanted just the image instead of the whole background. So there's a lot of collaging with these pages, which I've really enjoyed doing. So I've done a lot of layering with the images. So this is the first one, and we'll go with, so that's one. And then this is one of the background sheets as well. So this has got a neutral tone, which will be perfect to do some journaling. If you want to cut these up into small pages for your journal, you can fold it that way. There's a spot to write. You can have it folded that way once you cut out the white border, and you can make it into a smaller pocket-sized journal pages. And you can have it that way, or that way, that way, or that way. This is the next one. This is probably my favorite one. I love this one where I've layered them all and just made it really pretty. So there's a lot of different sections here as well. If you wanted to cut this part, if you like that part or this part, you can cut these all out and do what you like. So there's this page. This is another pretty one. So it has still a nice shabby vintage antique sort of style to the images or the prints. And this is another one. And then that's the one that we just started off with. So there are 5 pages to the Blooming Charm 001. That's this other one. And then that's the 5th page. So we've got that one. And then we've got the 002. And that's that one. I'll take this out. So this is one of the pages. And then we've got this next one. This is a more neutral background. And this is another background. And this one has a pink background. And that's the first one that I just shared with you. They're the 5 pages. So they are very, very pretty. That one. And then the pink one. So that's that one. And then for the last set, this is the Fussy Cut Ephemera 5 pages. So we've got this one here is the first one. So there's some fans. You can make this into a little mini note card. You can fussy cut these flowers, some dress form in 3 different sizes, some pretty bows, some flowers and some lace trim here. So a few fun images here for you to fussy cut, and then you can layer them. You could add them into your pages. And this one, like these ones, you can fussy cut this large fan and make it into a tuck pocket in one of your journal pages. So that's the first one. This is the next one. This one has a couple of postcards, like a note card where you can use to journal, document, do some documenting. This is another one. You can cut this out to make this into a journaling spot or make it into a tag. There's a couple of flowers to fussy cut. There's a label and 2 sizes of postcards. There is pockets and tags. So you can cut out these pockets, and then these tags will fit nicely inside each of these pockets, and they coordinate with each one. So they match, or you can mix them up however you like. So there are 3 pockets and 3 tags. These are some little mini envelopes. You get 2 envelopes, and I've added a couple of these like strips. You can use this for your belly band. You can make these into little side tuck pockets on your journal and have it this way, and you can cut this up to how it suits your page. So these ones you fussy cut and assemble it, and I'll show you an envelope already made so you can see the size, and I'll show you that in a second. And then there are these postcard size images. So these would make great note cards, and then you can print it on double side as well, so you can have 2 prints double-sided. So that's the 5th one. So these are the fussy cut images. With pockets and tags, envelopes, postcards, and these ones. So that is, so these are my new collection, Bloom and Charm. So there are 3. You can just have the one with these, that'll still work, or these ones with this one. So you can decide which one you want to work with. And I'm going to just show a couple of projects that I'm working on using this kit, and I'll come back and do another video and do a process video to make them. Well, I'm in the middle of making a journal, so that's one thing I'm working on with this kit. So let me show you the journal. So this is the journal. It's a file tab shaped journal. I've done something similar a while back, making a journal with the file tab. I'll just show you. So that's the file. It's got this file tab, which would be perfect. You can date your journal. You can note the journal. You can write down what type of journal this is for. So it has this tab, and I'll recreate another one in my next video and show you how to make one of these. And this is using one of the images. So it's such a pretty image. I think it's just very feminine and just very pretty. So that's that. And I'll do the video and show you how to make the cover. And then inside are some tea stain papers that I've tea stained, some book page. I've added this lovely fabric. This is another one of the images that's inside the same kit. That's the one with the fan. That's very pretty. And into some more tea stamp, has some music sheet. So this is, I'm going to place that in the front here, in front of the music page. So this is an embellishment that I've made. So I've made a few, and I'm going to be adding these into one of my new kits that I'm going to have in my store. So they're just using some doily and some little bit of fabric trim. And these images will be in my next kit that I'm going to list, and I'll show you that kit in a second. But I'm thinking of placing one of these in here to just decorate the back of the music sheet. So I'm going to leave that in there. And then this is a pocket. And more blank pages. This is the other background page. I'm going to add a couple more pages because I want to add some more pockets in here. So this is the other side to it. So this is going to be a pocket. I might do a bit of stamping here. That's the other side. That's a piece of lovely lace fabric. And the book page. So that is what I'm working on. And I'm working on making more of these. And then these are some cute little teeny pockets that I've made, and that's using, I'll just show you, it's using the ephemera kit pack, and it's these ones, the postcards, and I've just cut them out and then I made them into pockets, and I'll do a video and I'll show you how easy it is to make these. They're just so cute. And what I've got in here, in this one here, I've got, I did add some lace trim just to decorate the front of the pocket, and a little gold safety pin with a little sparkly dangle down here. And then there is a paper clip attached to some of the little, this has got a bit of seam binding on the paper clip. And these are the little fussy cut pieces. That's these ones. So I've just cut them out ready. I'm going to add these into the journal. So I'm going to decorate the journal with these fussy cut images. So I've just got this safety pin to hold it all together. And this is one of the dress forms. So I did use the thin paper. I'm going to use the card, so I'm going to print this out on cardstock. So it's not so flimsy, but that's the larger size. So I'm going to use this as like the belly band, so I could tuck some papers in there. This is the large size fan. So this would make a great tuck pocket, which I'm thinking of doing. So let me just find a page to show you. So that would make a great tuck pocket, for example, like that. And then you can, tuck your pocket or tags or note cards in the fan. So I've made it large enough for you to be able to use that as a tuck spot. That's the larger size. So that would be perfect to write a little note. And then this is the little envelope. So it is a cute little mini envelope, but still large enough to add some ephemera pieces, stickers, stamps, small little tiny trim samples that'll fit in there. So that's that envelope. That's also from the fussy cut kit. So that was a perfect fit in that pocket. And then this is one of the other cut apart floral images with some lace border around it. Very pretty and feminine and dainty. And this is the pocket, and it's just so cute. They make cute little pockets, and you can make 4 of these out of the 4 images that's on here. So I've made 2, and I'll show you how I make these. But I thought I'd just keep them in here so I don't lose these, because I'm going to add them into the journal. And just put these back. You could also cut all the images and then send them off as a Happy Mail gift to one of your crafty friends and make this little Happy Mail pocket to go with it. And just look how cute that is. and then you can tuck it in a nice vellum pocket or wrap it up with some lace, and it'll be just a pretty little pocket to gift. And then these images, I'm just in the middle of just finishing off my ephemera kit pack, and that'll also be 5 pages, but this is from this kit. So these are those images where I cut these out from this kit. So I'm just finishing these off, and then I'll have these also listed in my shop, so you can add these into your projects. I want to use these to add into my journal. So these are the ephemera fussy cut images, and so there's quite a few in here that you could use. And then you also get a background sheet, which is a very pretty background sheet. I do love this. It's pretty neutrals. So this will be my next one that I'll be listing. But I just thought I'd show you my new kit called the Blooming Charm kit, and there were three different ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.